Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do this math test today. This is going to be really important because this is how we're going to take a lot of our math tests on the computer. So the first thing I did, or that you should be doing, is watching this video. So good job, you're watching the video. Next, you're going to go to this link. So I went to the link and this is what showed up. Next, you have to enter your email address. So I'm going to enter David's email address. I'm not going to fill out the whole thing for you. I'm just going to pause the video while I enter it, and then I'm going to click next. So now it's giving me some details, which you don't need to worry about. If that's your name, then you can press confirm. Once you're at confirm, this is the test. I could see that it's for second grade and when it's due, and that there are 5 questions. I'm going to click begin test. Now this is the tricky part because this is the information that Miss McIntyre gets. Now we've already done a review today, so this should not be surprising. But your answer has to match the question. So over here where I'm moving my mouse, this is where you're going to put your answers. Over here where I'm moving my mouse here is where you're going to have your question. So I can't click A, B, C, D. So if y'all are coming at me with these questions, why can't I click on the test? I'm going to say, go back and watch the video because you have to click over here. So number 1 says, Jay finds 9 shells at the beach on Friday and 16 shells on Saturday. He makes this picture to help him determine the total number of shells that he found at the beach. And then you can study the picture. What is the total number of shells Jay found at the beach? It would be helpful to have a whiteboard and marker like I know Udiel has, Sammy has, or if you have a pencil and paper like I know Manuel has, Jackie has, so that you could do this thinking on paper. Then when you think you have the answer, oh, I think it's this. You're going to come and find that answer. If you think it's 7, then you're going to go over here to question A and click 7. Or rather, question 1 and click A. If you think it's 25, you're going to go over here to click B. If you think it's 26, you're going to go over here to click C. If you think it's 27, you're going to click D. And there, you wouldn't click E because there's no question for E. So look what happens, guys. I'm on question 2. I see question 2, but then I go to question 3. Oh, I have to scroll. And once you scroll, then you see question 3's answers. And remember, some of these say select 2 correct answers. So don't get tricked on this test, friends. It's only 5 questions, but these 5 questions could really get you. Okay? So then we've got question number 4. And finally, question number 5, which again, here we go, asks you for 2 answers. Okay? So this is your video about the test. If I have any questions about it, better bet your bottom dollar I'm going to say go back and watch the video. Good luck.